Have you ever dreamed of traveling Italy, but wasn't sure if you could afford it? From the major cities to the hidden gems, there are plenty of ways to explore Italy on a budget. We'll be looking at some crazy tips that you may or may not have thought of for budget travel in Italy. Let's get started. First, you need to decide when to go. If you're planning on budget travel in Italy, you want to make sure you choose the right time of the year to go. The peak season for travel to Italy is typically from late spring through early autumn, when the weather is the most pleasant. Of course, you deserve good weather too, but for the sake of that bank account, you gotta do some sacrifice. Anyway, let's get back on track. During this time, accommodation prices and flights are more expensive than the rest of the year. However, if you plan your trip carefully, you can still save money on your travel. The off-season in Italy is during winter months. From November to March, this is usually a much cheaper time of the year to travel, as airfare and accommodations are much lower in price. During this time, you can also enjoy quieter attractions and experience local festivals and events. See, there's still some perks, am I right? Another benefit for traveling during winter months is that fewer people visit during these months, making it a great time to explore some of Italy's lesser-known sites. No matter when you decide to go, there are plenty of ways to save money on your budget travel in Italy, so make sure to stay till the end of the video to find out more. Where to stay? When budgeting for a trip in Italy, accommodations can make up a huge chunk of the overall cost. To save money on lodging while in Italy, there are a few options to consider. Airbnb. Airbnb is a great way to save money while having access to some of the local comforts of homes. You can find private rooms or entire apartment for rent that are usually cheaper than a hotel room. You can cook your own meals, which will also help you save money. Hotels. Hotels are an affordable and social way to travel. More expensive than Airbnb, of course, but in most major cities, there is a wide range of hotel options available. Hotels typically offer both dormitory-style beds as well as private rooms, and come with amenities such as free Wi-Fi and shared kitchen. Couchsurfing. Couchsurfing is a great way to meet new people and save money on accommodation costs. It's a network of people who are willing to offer up their couch, guest bedroom, or even an entire home for travelers. This is a great way to get an authentic experience of the city you're visiting. Camping. Camping is another budget-friendly way to explore Italy. Many campsites are located near lakes and forests, offering some spectacular views and plenty of opportunities to explore nature. No matter which option you choose, there's no shortage of ways to find budget accommodations in Italy. How to get around. Getting around Italy is easy and affordable, even on a tight budget. The country has an awesome transportation system with buses, trains, and flights to take you from one place to another. The train system in Italy is a great way to get around. There are plenty of passes and tickets available that can help you save money on long journeys. The best way to save money is to purchase advance tickets online, although it requires some planning ahead, but it's definitely worth it. Buses are another popular way to get around in the country. Tickets can be purchased at stations or online in advance. Prices are usually much cheaper than train tickets. However, it can take longer to reach your destination as buses make frequent stops. But look at the upside. There will be so much to see if you take a bus. For international travel, flying is often the best option. Domestic flights can be a good way to save time and money. Flights within Europe often have cheaper fares than other routes. Last but not least, renting a car. Renting a car is a great option to get around Italy. This may be a good choice if you're planning on doing a lot of sightseeing in one region or take long drives between cities. Just remember that you'll have to pay for the fuels, tolls, and parking. No matter how you decide to get around Italy, budget travel is totally possible. You just need to plan ahead and make sure you get those little details. What to drink and eat. Italy is known for its delicious cuisine, or food, from pizza to pasta. Italian food is often associated with a comforting and affordable dining experience, which is why budget travelers in Italy can save money while enjoying the flavors of the country. When it comes to food, some of the most affordable options are, you can guess it, street food. Street foods such as pizza slices, sandwiches, and gelato are great options. If you're looking for a more traditional Italian meal, try a trattoria, which typically serve homemade dishes at a reasonable price. When dining out, you can save money by ordering regional dishes and local wines. For drinks, you can find affordable options such as cappuccino, espressos, and fruits. Wine lovers will be delighted by the selections of local Italian wines available. If you're looking to save even more money, try ordering some sparkling water or just some house wine. Whether you're looking for an inexpensive meal or just want to sample some best Italian cuisine, there's something for everyone in Italy. Okay, some of the last tips for saving money on your trip are: 1. Avoid big cities. One of the biggest costs of traveling in Italy is accommodation, such as hotels, and this is especially true for big cities like Rome, Milan, and Florence. To save money on accommodations, try exploring smaller cities and towns, which tend to be less expensive. 2. Take advantage of free attractions. Many of Italy's most famous attractions can be visited for free or at a discount rate. For example, some churches and museums offer free admissions on certain days of the week or time of the day. Be sure to check it out if possible. 3. Eat local cuisine. Eating out can add quickly, but you don't need to break the bank to experience Italian cuisine. Look for restaurants that specialize in local specialties like pizza, pasta, and gelato. All of these are usually cheaper than most tourist options. Use public transportation. Taking public transportation is often cheaper than taking a taxi or renting a car. And plus, many cities in Italy have bike sharing programs where you can rent a bike for a few hours and explore on 2 wheels, which will be a ton of fun and a great way to get some exercise. Shop like a local. Instead of buying souvenirs from gift shops, shop like a local by visiting farmers markets or other local vendors. Buying directly from local producers will not only save you money, but it also ensures that your purchases supports the local economy. I hope all these tips help you when you travel to Italy in the future. Don't forget to have fun, relax, and enjoy!